Cooking on the fly ain't complete without the pie. So, I'm gonna rhyme this pie off for you. Cause, this is what it's kinda all about. Well, I can't find nothing to prop this on. So, I got some deluxe mixed nuts. I added a fistful of raisins, fistful of deluxe mixed nuts, you know, no peanuts, just that deluxe stuff. I'm gonna be using some sugarless Jell-O, and I'm gonna be using some Ovaltine, just a spoonful of it. So, I got my fruit. Already microwaved for 4 minutes. Frozen fruit microwaved for 4 minutes so that it comes out with that juice in there. Now, in go the nuts. Stir it a bit. So I got blueberries and other kinds of frozen fruit in there, strawberries and blah blah blah, whatever the frozen fruits were in there. Like I say, deluxe mixed nuts and a fistful of raisins. Right? Here's the sugarless Jell-O. You can use how much you like. I only use like about a half a pack on stuff like that. This is like a slim pie. If it was a full pie, I'd use the whole pack. And mix. Preheat the oven. 350. So it took 4 minutes for the fruit. Right? And that gives you a hot, boiling, you know, same thing you put the Jell-O mix into boiling water so it's hot and boiling. You mix that all up good. And into the pie she goes. Now the trick here at the beginning is you want to push all this wet juice up on the rim of the pie. Like push it all up there and pack it. So like the juice hits the rim of the pie. If you don't do that right away, the juice falls to the center. And then, after you've done that, see how I push it all up there on the side? Then you just go around the top and pack it down a little bit. And pull all that stuff into the center of the pie again. So you're packing it down so that stuff's going to be the center of the pie. And you push it into the center from the sides. See how I'm packing the sides and it's being pushed back down into the center. But as soon as you get the bottom of the pie crust covered with the stuff that's being pushed down from the sides, then you want to go and make sure that the sides, because this is like a layer pie. It's not like a full pie. It's only got a layer of fruit, a layer of nuts, and you want to pack it on the rim of the pie at the bottom there, so it's like down where the ankle is, so it's nice and smooth like this. See how it's smoothing around? You want to be able to do that with your spoon. Get it right around. And now it's flat on the bottom of the pie, and it's kind of flat up on the sides of the pie. And here's a magic touch. Chocolate Ovaltine, or you can use cocoa. I use the chocolate Ovaltine because it's kind of good for you with the iron. That's what it was all about back when I was a kid, is the iron. And into the oven she goes for about 15 minutes, but you keep your eye on it. and I'll touch base you when I'm gonna have a piece.